To fix Microsoft Store not working in Windows 11, right-click on Start, select Run. Here you need to type this command wsreset.exe, then press Enter. Wait about 10 to 30 seconds. Here you can see Microsoft Store opens automatically. Afterward, click on Start and restart your PC. After restart, check if Microsoft Store start working normally. If it's still not working, then click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, select System. Scroll it down to find System Components. Click on it. Here you will see Microsoft Store. Click on three dots. Select Advanced Options. Scroll it down. First, you need to click on Terminate, then click on Repair. After repair, open the Microsoft Store and check if that helps you to fix your problem. If that doesn't work, you can click on Reset. Then after, click on Start and restart your PC to check if that helps you to fix your problem. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.